Learning Outcome 3.0 focuses on understanding and analyzing the organizational infrastructure that influences procurement and supply chain functions. Procurement does not operate independently. Its effectiveness is shaped by governance structures, organizational policies, reporting relationships, operational systems, and management frameworks. This learning outcome introduces learners to the internal organizational environment that supports procurement activities and ensures alignment with strategic objectives. The module highlights how procurement professionals contribute to organizational accountability, compliance, and operational performance while operating within structured corporate environments that require transparency, ethical conduct, and efficient resource management. A major area of study within this learning outcome is corporate governance and its impact on procurement and supply chain activities. Learners examine governance principles such as accountability, transparency, ethical behavior, and risk management. The module explores issues including conflicts of interest, documented procurement procedures, delegated authority, and organizational reporting structures. Particular emphasis is placed on the importance of ethical procurement practices through frameworks such as the CIPS Code of Ethics and the International Labour Organization Conventions. These governance mechanisms help organizations maintain integrity, prevent unethical conduct, and ensure procurement decisions support both legal compliance and responsible business practices across increasingly regulated and globally connected supply chains. The learning outcome also analyzes the influence of organizational policies and procedures on procurement effectiveness. Procurement professionals are required to follow structured processes that govern supplier selection, competition rules, approval authorities, invoice management, and contract administration. Learners explore the role of procurement strategies, procurement manuals, and operational procedures in ensuring consistency and control within procurement operations. The module highlights the involvement of internal stakeholders such as finance, operations, legal teams, and senior management in procurement decision-making processes. Effective organizational policies provide clarity, reduce operational risks, support compliance, and create a framework that enables procurement functions to deliver value while maintaining accountability and efficiency. Another important topic within Learning Outcome 3.0 is the structure of procurement and supply chain functions within organizations. Learners study centralized, decentralized, and hybrid procurement structures and examine how each model affects operational efficiency, stakeholder engagement, and decision-making authority. Centralized procurement structures can improve standardization and cost control, while decentralized models may offer greater responsiveness to local business needs. Hybrid structures combine elements of both approaches to balance strategic control with operational flexibility. The module encourages learners to understand how organizational design influences procurement performance, communication, governance, and collaboration across departments and supply chain networks within different business environments and industries. Technology and information systems are also recognized as critical components of organizational infrastructure supporting procurement and supply chain management. The module introduces learners to procurement technologies such as purchase-to-pay systems, inventory management systems, enterprise resource planning platforms, e-sourcing applications, e-tendering systems, and communication technologies. These systems improve data management, process efficiency, supplier collaboration, and operational visibility across procurement activities. Learners analyze how digital technologies support automation, reporting accuracy, spend analysis, and strategic decision-making. The growing use of integrated information systems demonstrates how procurement functions increasingly rely on technology to improve operational effectiveness and support organizational competitiveness within rapidly evolving business environments. The learning outcome further reinforces the importance of collaboration between procurement and other organizational functions. Procurement professionals must work closely with finance, operations, production, logistics, legal, and senior leadership teams to ensure sourcing activities align with organizational priorities and operational requirements. Effective collaboration supports informed decision-making, budget control, supplier performance management, and risk mitigation. Learners explore how procurement contributes to wider organizational objectives such as sustainability, cost management, customer service, and innovation. The module highlights that procurement success depends not only on technical expertise but also on the ability to communicate effectively, influence stakeholders, and operate within integrated organizational structures that support business performance. Overall, Learning Outcome 3.0 of Scope and Influence of Procurement and Supply, L4M1, provides learners with a comprehensive understanding of the organizational foundations that shape procurement and supply chain operations. The module demonstrates how governance, policies, organizational structures, technology systems, and stakeholder collaboration collectively influence procurement effectiveness and organizational value creation. By understanding these organizational infrastructure elements, Procurement professionals are better prepared to support compliance, improve operational efficiency, strengthen supplier relationships, and contribute strategically to business success. The learning outcome ultimately equips learners with the knowledge required to operate confidently within complex organizational environments while supporting ethical, transparent, and high-performing procurement practices.